What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kino Casino. Today is day 27 of however long it takes for me to get to my first payout of 2026. So let's jump on the charts and see what I'm looking for today. Let's go. Alrighty, so back on the charts. Let's see what I'm looking for today. So I got a couple of areas of interest, but in all reality, what I'm really looking for is either a buy from down here or maybe a sell from up here. But this price getting back up here and then selling off is probably a stretch. We could possibly get a sell from down here as well. We do have structure. If you just pay attention to price action, it will tell you exactly what it wants to do. Boom, create a low, boom, create a new high. So right now we have this high and this low. So this is previous day low and previous day high, really, where we're in between both areas of interest. So literally up here is possibly not going to happen, not going to lie to you. I don't know if we're going to get enough momentum to push back to the top and then drop down again. But this area of interest is really in play right now. From this previous day lows, we definitely have this area in play. So we'll see whether or not we get a price to buy or sell from this area. But this is definitely the area that I'm trying to take a trade from. But we'll see what we get locked in for today. Y'all know what the vibe is. Y'all know how we got to start the morning off with some Goya coconut water. You know, lots of electrolytes in coconut water. Great for your energy. I did do a little workout this morning. Had a 1.5 mile run. So drink a little coconut water to fuel the system. Price looks like it want to take off, but I didn't get that area interest touch for me to lock in on this trade. Not gonna lie to you. It didn't touch my area of interest. This is a 924. Nah. Somebody in my chat said you always stay disciplined. They're right, man. They're right. I have to stay disciplined, man. I try to get out my own way. Try not to ruin my own trade setups, man. I try to just let the trade work out. Even though right now I can see that price touched it. Sometimes price is not going to behave the same way every single day, but I'd rather it to practice the right disciplines every day that's going to give me consistent results, hopefully. Obviously the market's not consistent and doesn't do the same thing every single day, but I try to just practice consistency and let the market show me what I want to do. Hoping for a price to come back and touch this area of interest before we take off again. See if price gonna tap me in. If it don't, that's all right too. Once I break the low of these candles right here, I'm good. Break the low of this candle, straight. All right, I'm in. Nice trade, man. Following your rules, staying disciplined. Hey, man, it pays off. You just gotta follow your rules. TP hit. Let's go. Good trade. So, you guys seen the trade setup, man. Listen, I seen a trade setup that happened before this trade setup, and I told you, I explained it to you guys. I'm not trying to take this trade. I try my best to get out of my own way. Not to disrespect my rules, not follow my rules, and over leverage and over trade. I try to get out of my own way and let the trade play out. I know my trade works. I know my system works. I'll just let it work. And over a longer period of time, I will be profitable. I am profitable. Just doing that. You know what I mean? So, solid trading day for the day. I'm not mad at it. Everything I did was up to T. I am thinking about being more proactive with trying to get a 2-to-1, but you can see today, charts, well, you didn't see it today, but charts reversed right after it hit me TP, reversed completely. So it is what it is. Till next time, y'all. Love y'all. Leave a like and subscribe down below. Thanks for rocking with me. Until next time. Peace.